All right, this is the video during the day. Uh, went to bed finally, and all the stress I'm having. But I need to document this during the day. This is the angel we had here. We spent a long time on it. It's broke. There's another one right here that's gone completely. It's the angel there down on the floor. Broke it right off the top. Broke it right off the thing. Porcelain. Even had a stud in there. Screwed in there. See if I can see the damage done on the paint. Dented the hood. You can see where it scraped. Right there. Trying to get it at an angle. I don't know, kind of blurry. Let's see it. The car. You see it right there. On top, it's all scraped up. There too as well. It's the damage to the car where it hit the car right there. And I didn't see that till right now. Hit right there. And you see the damage up there on top too as well. Right here. There's a big ass dent right there too. Yeah, it was snowed last night, so it snowed last night, so it kind of covered up. I couldn't get any pictures of it. Yeah. No, what's going on with the card? You see the damage on my car. There's just snow on there. I called the sheriff's department last night. It was around almost midnight. Yeah, it did damage the van too. Right here, the fender, you can see the dents in the van too. The two dents there. On the fender when it came over the car. And most likely there's maybe some scraping in the front. I'm not too sure, but there are some small dents along the side of the van. And, this is where it comes flying over around midnight. 12 o'clock next day, the sheriff department told me to secure it down, so it don't cause other people's property damage. But so far, nobody's come over here or said anything. I did leave a letter to the neighbor's house. Gave her a message on the thing and nothing. And nobody's came over to say anything at all. So this is a documentation of what happened the next day. More detail of the damage that was done to my car. Let's see there.